Hello, everyone. Welcome to another slow English video. Today, we're gonna talk about hobbies. We will say what they are, why they are important, and also how to discover your own. Let's dive into it. Hobbies are important because they help us relax and enjoy life. When we have a hobby, we have something that make us feel happy after school, after work, or during weekends. A hobby can reduce stress, give us more energy, and help us focus on something positive. Hobbies also help us learn new skills. For example, if you cook as a hobby, you learn new recipes. If you run as a hobby, you get stronger. If you read as a hobby, you discover new ideas, you learn new words, and it gets easier for you to talk about many things. So, a hobby is not just something fun. A hobby is something that helps your mind, your body, and even your future. Many people say, I don't have any hobby, but maybe the truth is different. Some people think that a hobby has to be something big, like playing a musical instrument or traveling every month. But that is not true. A hobby can be something small, easy, and simple. For example, some people have hobbies, but they don't do them often because life gets busy. They have to study, they have to work, they take care of their families. So that's why they think I don't have any time, so I don't have any hobbies. But maybe they do have one. They just don't recognize it. Because a hobby is an activity that you enjoy doing in your free time, even if you don't do it very often. You discover that this is a hobby because this is something that makes you happy, is something that helps you relax, is something that you choose to do. Can be something big or can be something small. Can be something you do once a week, once a month, or every day. So remember, if you enjoy it, it is a hobby. For example, a lot of people love reading books, short stories, articles online. They like reading at home, in a cafe, in the park, on the bus, before going to sleep. Others love listening to music. They like listening to music while they are cooking or walking or working. Some people like calm music and others like energetic music. So, music helps them relax and improve their mood. Other people love watching movies or series. They like watching movies at night or on weekends to relax. Watching movies is a great way to practice English or another language. You can choose comedy, action, sci-fi, I mean science fiction, romance, and anything that you enjoy. Some people really enjoy cooking or baking, like me. Some of them like cooking alone, and others like cooking with their families. Others enjoy exercising. They like running, going to the gym, doing yoga, dancing, or even walking their dogs. For this, you don't need a lot of equipment. Sometimes you just need comfortable clothes and motivation. Another hobby that a lot of people really enjoy doing is playing video games. They do it to relax and have fun. Some play for 20 minutes a day, others play on the weekends, others play at night until late. On the other hand, cleaning and organizing your room can be another hobby. Some people feel really happy when they organize their space and make it look nice. So, if you enjoy doing this, it can be your hobby. Watering your plants, watching them grow, and learning how to take care of them can be another hobby. Writing your thoughts in a notebook, your goals, writing a gratitude list can be another hobby. It can help you understand yourself better. Learning a language or even taking photos with your phone can be nice hobbies. So, before finishing, I want to ask you what your hobby is. What activity helps you relax after a long day?